Hello, people.
Hello.
This is my phone. It doesn't. Well, I don't think it works anymore.
Why?
I just haven't used it in like 3 years.
I thought you were talking about your camera. I was like, what?
No, the phone right there, piece of shit, doesn't work, I think.
Are you recording?
Yeah, so he's gonna kill it with his screwdriver and that pry thing. My dad's currently gone, and we can't get into the garage to get the one that's like 6 times the size of that. So, yeah, we're gonna try to open it up. Go! No! Wrong tool! No! Okay, well, we got it open. I think that's the screen. But, yeah. Well, he didn't get that part open, so he's gonna have to work at that. Come on. Okay. Okay, well, that tool failed, so we're gonna go back to the screwdriver. Yeah. Okay. I think he broke it, so yeah. Well, apparently we forgot about the phone part, so he's gonna try to fix that too. No. Where's the screwdriver? Yeah. Okay, so we got that. Now we have to clean this shit up.